Entering a trade. Today, we will learn together how to choose the entry zone, and from which point to enter a trade without any assistance, relying solely on the chart. The explanation here focuses on short-term trades, with the duration of the trade ranging from the entry point to its closure within an hour, a day, or a week. 1. Select the currency pair you want to trade, ensuring that you have prior knowledge of this pair or, at the very least, that the oscillations or reversals in the chart movement for this pair are very minimal. 2. At least 2 timeframes for this pair should have the same clear trend. Without any doubt, whether it's on a daily, hourly, or 15-minute basis, it is essential to have full confidence that you have identified the trend as shown in the example image, and both timeframes should be in the same direction. It is preferable to use the hourly and daily timeframes or the 15-minute and hourly timeframes. 3. After determining the trend, start planning the entry on the smaller timeframe rather than the larger one. For example, if the hourly timeframe shows an upward trend and the 15-minute timeframe also shows an upward trend, then start planning the entry on the 15-minute timeframe. Note that working on smaller timeframes reduces the size of targets or profits, with an increase in reversals, and vice versa. Therefore, it is advisable to work with the daily and hourly timeframes, or 4-hour timeframes, depending on your confidence and the size of the trade. 4. Now, define the entry zone, which is the area between the last high and the last low formed on the chart. 5. Monitor the price movement when it enters the entry zone during what is called the correction, retest, or profit-taking phase. Here, when I observe a candle or two that cannot penetrate the previous candle and closes below it or above it depending on the time frame and the direction of the trade I want to enter, whether buying or selling, I enter the trade. Alternatively, wait for the closure of a candle above or below the previous candle to enter the trade. 6. Place the stop loss below the level of the previous low if it's a buy trade, or above the last high if it's a sell trade. Your target should be the last high or low, depending on whether it's a buy or sell trade.